Hello dear techies and my dear subscribers. I hope you guys are doing well. This is Tech House. In today's video, I have tried covering the topic why OnePlus is losing its brand value these days. Why OnePlus is losing its brand value these days? To answer this question properly, let's dive deep into the OnePlus journey up to now. OnePlus debuted into the smartphone market with OnePlus One. It was the real flagship killer. It was offering same specifications as of Samsung and Apple, but with the half of the price of Samsung and Apple. Same story continues with rest of the OnePlus device till OnePlus 7. OnePlus popularity was at the peak when OnePlus launched its OnePlus 7 device. This was the time when OnePlus phone sale used to beat the Samsung phone sale and Apple phone sale in the premium segment. From the launch of OnePlus 8 device, the OnePlus popularity started falling down. One of the important reasons for OnePlus downfall is one of its co-founder Carl Pei left the company and started his own company called Nothing. OnePlus was well known for two launches for a year, the regular OnePlus series and the T series at the end of the year. But from the launch of OnePlus 8 series, OnePlus has brought many new series to the OnePlus segment like OnePlus Nord, OnePlus Nord CE, OnePlus N series. Due to this, OnePlus doesn't used to get as hype as they used to get before. Now OnePlus focuses on making more money by launching many devices in a year. And one of the main reasons we have to consider is that now OnePlus phones are way expensive than it used to be. Now it is priced nearly at $1,000, which is itself a flagship price. It is not anymore a flagship killer, but a flagship itself. The reason why OnePlus became so popular is Oxygen OS. Now Oxygen OS is not anymore Oxygen OS. It is combined with Color OS to bring new updates and many more. This is also reason why OnePlus is falling down. It created confusion among the consumers to purchase OnePlus device. So OnePlus started falling down. If you have found this video interesting and informative, support us by subscribing this channel and drop us like down below. Till then, stay safe, stay connected. I'll see you around. Peace.